Hi everybody, in this guide I'll be showing you the procedure on how to upload content to Google Drive. You can upload content to Google Drive by using a new file folder, and if you're using a mobile device you just need to open the Google Drive application, a login, and here what you could do is just click the plus button at the bottom of the page. Then you have these Google Slide Docs, whatever. You go to select upload. Now what you actually want to upload, at the top you could see a multiple tab: music, audio, images, videos, documents, whatever that is. You could go ahead and select the one. You just select the image section and there you have the image. And if you cannot find a multiple, you just tap on the square little icon right at the top, and then you could just go ahead and click on select all, and you want to click on select. And if you're sure about this, you go ahead and make sure to give a name if you have. So make sure to select the font as well, or the format as well, and click on upload. And this is the way you could go and upload content to Google Drive. And similarly, if you are uploading it from your computer, then all you have to do is just drag and drop the folder. That's all. So that's the way you could upload content to Drive. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.